Step into the Chrysler 2017 Pacifica Touring L. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 287 horsepower, 3.6-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.